Sometimes packages don't end up at their final destination, but where do they go? The short answer is here, liquidation warehouses around the country. And we buy pallets of these items to resell for a profit. Right behind us we have an entire pallet of lost cargo packages.
We paid $525 for this one, so let's see if we can make a profit.
And the sponsor of today's video is Incogni, but more on them later.
So this right here is why we bought this pallet, because there are 5 of these boxes and we think we know what's inside. So let's check it out.
All right. It looks brand new. It looks like it's never been opened. Just one layer of tape.
Ooh,
oh yeah, look at that here. There's 10 TV antennas in here. We looked up the SKU number on the outside and knew this when we looked at the pallet that there was TV antennas. So there's 10 times 5 boxes, so that's 50 TV antennas. And what do they retail for?
$40 a piece.
So that's a $2,000 retail value just in the TV antennas. So if we take our rule that we can usually sell between 40 and 60% MSRP, we still have about $1,000 in profit with these TV antennas.
So even though TV antennas might not be super exciting to open on a pallet, we chose this pallet because at 50 pieces of that, I can make one listing on eBay, saving me a lot of time, and slowly move this over the next 6 months and still make a really good profit. We love multiples of things because it means less listing. Listing is kind of my least favorite part of the reselling process.
And we like brand new products, stuff that doesn't have anything wrong with it.
Yes, that stuff has never been opened and these boxes are in like pristine condition. So this is what one item looks like. It is in perfect condition. I'm guessing this will still cost me probably 15 to 20 bucks to ship because it's a little bit heavy depending on the location of where it's going. So I'm hoping to be able to make a $15 to $20 profit per item. So pretty sweet.
So you may think it's strange that we bought 50 TV antennas, but at the time of editing this video, how many have we sold?
We have sold 7 already, so we are well on our way to getting our money back. So everything else on this pallet is just pure profit, so let's see what we got. So as we were unboxing all this stuff, it is very heavy items, so I'm very curious, but it's gonna be either difficult to ship or better for Facebook Marketplace.
So real quick, a lot of people don't know what lost cargo is. Well, basically, if you buy something from China, and it comes over on a shipping container, it doesn't go back if you return it because it would cost them way too much money to put it back on a boat, send it all the way back to China. It's basically just sitting ducks here in America. Either it's going to go to a landfill or get sold to a liquidator. So that's what we do. We're buying these things and then reselling them back to the consumer.
So this doesn't look like it's ever been opened because the straps are still on it.
It's a mystery box too. It doesn't really say what it is. So
yeah.
What do we got?
Whoa. Okay.
Oh.
Mirrors.
A mirror.
Oh, I think I saw other people having these on their pallets from Grand Rapids Pallet Liquidation. It's like a mirror that is also a jewelry box. Like it opens.
Okay. We get all our pallets from Grand Rapids Pallet Liquidation. They have really great products, but we're going to show a picture of this because it is brand new. The mirror's in good shape.
Yeah, these
it's
are
all
cool.
there. Yep.
But I know that there's a lot of these being sold currently on Facebook Marketplace, so there is a little bit of competition because a lot of people have gotten these in their pallets. But it's a pretty cool item.
Yep.
I think it's like $80 if I remember right.
What is that?
Some kind of seat, potty. Yep.
Oh yeah. All right, we've gotten a portable toilet before. This is a portable toilet, and we sold it really quickly.
Yeah, we did.
People apparently need these for things.
Like camping, I guess.
Off-grid, something. So, yeah, that'll sell.
It hasn't been used, but it's been opened, which I do feel like is a little bit of a deterrent, but. Before we get any further into the video, we wanted to talk about today's video sponsor, Incogni.
Seems like every other week you hear on the news that there's a new data breach that happened and all your personal information is suddenly exposed. So if you've ever signed up for sweepstakes or filled any form out online, there's a good chance that some of your personal information has been leaked to some of these data companies. As time goes on, these data companies collect more and more information about you, leaving you more and more vulnerable by the day. And it's kind of scary what they know about you. They know your shopping habits, your social security number, your credit card information, what you're buying, what you're looking at. Incogni helps you protect your privacy and take your personal data off the market by reaching out to data brokers on your behalf, requesting your personal data be removed.
And the best part is that the whole process is automated for you.
Incogni helps get your information removed from these databases in 3 easy steps.
Step 1 is to create an account. Step 2 is to grant Incogni the right to work for you. And step 3 is to kick back and watch them work. They will handle any objections from data brokers for you and keep you updated on their progress every step of the way.
Incogni is just a really great way to maintain your privacy and help prevent things like identity theft and credit card fraud.
The first 100 people to click our link below and use code Jamie and Sarah will receive 20% off Incogni.
So let's get back in the video. So we have a lot of very large packages in this palette, which we chose on purpose as well, because if you saw our last video, we had 500 tiny little packages. So we wanted like some bigger, easier to sell through stuff. So,
but this is also way harder to ship. So pros and cons of both. All this stuff might be better for Facebook Marketplace, where the other palette is going to be better for eBay, smaller little items.
Yep, so we'll do like porch pickup where people come, pick the item up, put money under the mat.
Yes.
You don't have to ship things that way.
Yep. If you haven't watched our last palette video, you should go watch it. It was one for the books for sure.
It was.
It was like probably almost a $10,000 MSRP. It was crazy. So this is a pool ladder, I believe. We've gotten a lot of pool items.
But spring will be here soon enough, and people will be setting their pools up again. So we're gonna just kind of have to hang on to this stuff, keep it in our, this is our second garage, just our inventory area.
Is it a ladder though? It's not a ladder.
Oh, it's not a ladder, apparently.
1 second, let's look this up.
Bimini top.
We were so wrong. It's $100 from Walmart. It is a top boat cover sunshade boat canopy. That's what it is.
Oh,
it's
okay.
a boat canopy.
Yeah, just on your pontoon boat for shade, right?
Yes.
Something like that? Okay, cool. Another summer item, but like I said, we'll just hold on to those, put them in storage, and have them listed for springtime when people get their boats out again.
Yeah, sweet.
All right, $100.
These handy tools are for, these are my favorite tools on the planet. I bought like 100 of these on Amazon. I will link them below because they're the best.
So, yeah, I don't know if it's an umbrella. Not an umbrella.
Oh. What is it?
Oh my. Show Maven. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think we got a movie screen here.
Oh.
We've gotten these on pallets before too.
Yeah.
So it's a green screen panel. So, you know, if you're into video stuff like us, green screen, you could put like a beautiful beach setting behind us if you wanted. Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Whoa, sweet.
So that's a pretty fancy one. It's got your stand and everything.
Can you show them? Can you see
Yeah,
that
let me
screen?
Green screen.
Sweet. That's
Oh yeah,
true.
look, it even holds itself up.
Nice.
That is, I bet that's fancy. Yeah, if you want to, you know, go on Zoom and pretend you're in the office when you're actually at a football game or something.
What?
You know, like Frankie, my boy,
Babe,
Grand Rapids resident.
Don't.
Yes, Frankie, he's a legend.
He doesn't need any more
Yeah,
publicity.
All right, this one is super heavy. It's all taped up, so it's a complete mystery box.
Oh my word.
I have no idea.
Oh, wait. Another box.
2 boxes inside this box.
Ooh.
LR.
Left and right.
What do we
What's
got?
this?
What in the? Oh,
What is it?
it's a strut or shock
Oh my
for
word.
a big car.
One tip that I learned recently is to look for topical groups on Facebook. For our last palette, we got a ton of auto parts, and I found out that there is a group called like Michigan Man Stuff or something, and they have a ton of auto parts on there that people like to buy. So this will
list on
go probably on there.
Yeah. If you're an OG subscriber, you know a long time ago we got a saxophone that was this brand. So we're gonna see what kind of instrument we got here.
Guessing guitar.
A guitar? No, it's too small to be a guitar, isn't it?
Oh, what?
Maybe
what
it's
else could it
a banjo.
be? A banjo. That'd be
That'd be
cute.
cool, yeah. Hey, I was right.
It's so cute. Wait, don't rip this. Keep it nice.
Oh yeah, okay. Sweet.
Ooh. So this Glary is a more like beginner brand of instruments. Not super high end, but still, it's brand new.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look broken.
Yeah.
Just need to figure out, I don't know how to hook up the strings or anything, but.
They're not hooked up already?
Well, there's like this bridge thing.
You probably have to pull it tight.
Well, I know.
Don't do it,
yeah.
but we'll inspect
Sweet.
that more later, but
we
pretty
go.
cool.
This one has a picture of what it is on the outside. It's a screen printer, right?
A heat press, yes.
Heat press.
For like t-shirts and stuff. I've sold these before.
You can also do like mugs.
You
too.
can?
Yeah, it says mug heat press too.
Whoa! So it doesn't look like it's in plastic anymore. So this
True.
kind of item, I don't know that I I can plug it in and see if it turns on, but I can't necessarily like test it because I don't know how it works. So what I would do is probably offer this on Facebook Marketplace with a refund guarantee so they could have, you know, up to 7 days to return it, full refund, no questions if for some reason they didn't like it or something was wrong with it. So that could happen for sure, where someone would have to bring it back because it didn't work.
Yeah, look, that's cool. So that's a
your
mug
mug
press
in there.
area, and you can
That's
print stuff
cool.
on it. Sweet. Could make our own Jamie and Sarah swag.
Nice.
Would you buy Jamie and Sarah swag? Let us know in the comments. Not thinking too many left. But big old package here.
Next, we have a bunk bed, which looks like it's still in the straps.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if we even want to open this so we can show someone that it's
Probably not.
brand new.
I guess I don't know how a bunk bed could fit in this tiny
Yeah.
box. That's a little confusing to me.
One piece.
One piece.
Maybe.
It doesn't say one of two though. It just says one
So
piece.
sometimes on pallets you'll get boxes that'll say one of two, like if there's 2 boxes of something, and then you don't get the second piece, and so that item is like worthless. But that doesn't look to be the case here. I guess we have to investigate, don't we?
I think so. If it is all here, this would be a great Facebook Marketplace item as well.
For sure.
All right, let's see here.
Okay.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
just grab that.
So
Oh yeah, it's all there.
it's just metal, so that's why it can be compacted because it's so many poles and stuff.
Okay,
But
so an entire bunk bed, that will sell quickly. It looks like a full on the bottom and a twin on top. So
oh yeah, that's nice.
that's a nice one.
The ladder and everything.
Cool.
Oh wait. This bed frame comes in 2 boxes, it says.
Oh no.
Why does
It
this say
says
one
one-
piece?
Oh no.
Uh-oh. I might not have all of it. We'll see.
We'll do some more investigation, but we might only have 1 box of this.
Yeah, bummer.
So this looks like another multiple item situation here. We got eco-friendly yoga mats. I don't know if you can see that. Whole box of them.
12 pieces. Whoa.
Oh yeah.
New in plastic. Whoa.
Let's open one to see what they look
Wait,
like.
hold on. I think I saw, yeah, there's more down here. So
So how many do we have? Let's lay them all out. So that's what it looks like right
Alright.
there. Eco-friendly yoga mat.
I think that's all of them.
Wow, lots of them.
12, 17, 18 of them.
Okay, 18 yoga mats, brand new.
Eco-friendly.
So that's another
Those are-
easy multiple listing and shipping option for us.
Yeah, super easy.
I don't know what these retail for. If they are
Let me look at it.
over $20, I think they were selling on eBay. So it looks like these yoga mats are retail for $30 on Amazon. We have 18 of them, so that is $540 in retail value. So if we can get half of that, that's what, 270 bucks. So
Sweet.
not bad. That'll pay for half of our pallet right there.
Yep.
So between these and the antennas, we're definitely profitable.
Yeah.
All this rest of the stuff is just bonus.
Yep,
So,
for
sweet.
sure. Oops.
Whoa, what do we got?
Whoa. That's different than I think I. Never mind. I didn't know what this was.
It's pretty cool looking.
It's way different than I
Check it
thought.
out here. The ladder, it looks like wood, but it's metal, but it's a big step ladder. Look at that.
That's cool.
Sweet.
Still
I mean, those
nice.
are still not cheap, and that's brand new again. So
Yeah.
I think most of this stuff is brand new except for the heat
Yeah.
press, right?
Yeah, everything's been like
Sweet.
sealed still.
Great. What is that?
Oh, I know exactly what this is. We've gotten these before.
Really?
These are those shoebox container things.
Really? Hearts?
Hearts. Yeah, you have to build them yourself and then you put your shoes in there. These are maybe for women because they're tiny and they have hearts on them.
I don't think those sold for us last time.
No, they
did
didn't, but they're so expensive new.
All right, so we've gotten one of these before as well. You gonna take it out?
No, I'm looking for the instructions. Yeah.
Is it
it's
really-
like
Ooh, really big tent actually.
yep.
Like a white tent
Like
for
a portable.
events. Yep.
Yeah, for like an open house or what have you. But those sold very quickly and easily for me.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, especially like on Facebook Marketplace when open house season comes,
yep.
you can either rent one for a lot of money or buy one for a lot less money.
Right.
So that's what we're gonna do. So
Yep.
that'll
Sweet.
definitely sell. Yep.
What's this guy? Skinny little thing. Yeah.
Oh yeah, like a behind the toilet shelf
Yep.
made of bamboo.
There you go.
Pretty cool. So
Nice.
I would just be guessing at how much that costs, but
Yeah. Bamboo bookshelf.
probably got
it's
30 to
called.
50 bucks for it. Right?
Yeah, for sure. Yep.
Everything adds up.
I love waking up in the morning and putting something on my porch, and later that day opening like peeling back my doormat and getting a $50 bill and being like, sweet. This.
The classic camp chair looks like.
We have so many camping chairs.
Let's see here.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, no, it's
that's
not a camping chair. You're right.
Easy with your knife there. Don't
Oh,
cut
yeah,
it.
that's true.
Whatever it is.
It's used, yeah.
Intense.
It's used, it's got dirt on it.
There's
Got the packing slip,
Okay.
there you go.
Whoa. 100-gallon collapsible rain barrel. Portable
Oh.
water storage tank.
Interesting, like off the grid living type thing, or for
Sweet.
farming, or what?
Yeah.
Well, which one? Oh yeah, did you like water spout there?
Let's give
How
that to
many
my
gallons?
brother.
100 gallon?
100. The problem with this being opened in return is that there might be a leak in it. So if I sell it on Facebook Marketplace, I absolutely will put a disclaimer on it that they can return it if there's any problems with it, because I don't want to be selling people junk that they're just out of luck of their money. You know.
Yeah, and we don't want to risk shipping this on eBay either,
Right.
so we definitely won't sell it on eBay.
Actually, is that a rip? No, maybe
No,
not.
no, it's just the leg,
Okay.
I think, yeah.
3 more packages to go, so let's see what we get.
Big one?
Big one. Ooh, can you lift it?
Hey,
Need some help.
you need help here.
Okay. Yeah.
Furniture maybe? Big one?
Yep. It's a big one.
Oh no, this one says item shipped in 2 boxes also. Oh. It's a
So-
chair.
Half of a chair.
Half of a chair? Oh no.
So there is a reseller group in our area where people will go on there and say, hey, I got box number 1. Do you have box number 2? And a lot of times people get reunited with their pieces. So
Yeah.
I could definitely do that.
Yeah, because I'm guessing the other box was on the same truckload, just a different pallet.
Right.
So,
So in our area probably. So I'll probably try to help someone out and see if I can get this to them.
right now it's looking like the bunk bed, we only have 1 box as
I
well.
know.
So those are kind of a bust.
Yep. So I'll do
stinks.
some research and try to reunite them.
That is part of liquidation, and reselling is the risk side of it too. So just be aware of that if you're looking to buy pallets, some of it is unsellable. So
Oh, wow.
So this looks like a fan for a mini split, which mini splits are extremely expensive, like thousands of dollars. But the problem is I don't see the other part,
What other part?
the part that goes inside your house. So is that
No, it says box 2. Oh, no.
So we got another one
half.
boxer. But I mean, if that both boxes were there, that'd be like a $2,000 bill probably. So
Oh.
that's a big bummer.
Oh, it's dented, which is probably why it was returned, but
Well, that's not that big of a deal.
I
for
know,
something like
but
this,
I'm saying like
yeah, there's damage there too. So this is
bummer.
might just be a hunk of metal here.
Oh no.
Last package. Hopefully it's a box 2 of 2 or something. Don't you think?
Yeah, I don't
That's
know
the hope.
what though.
Okay.
Another
Big tent. You
whoa,
can see.
10 by 30. Holy
10 by
smokers.
30 tent right there.
Yep.
Sweet. So as we said before, these are great for open house season.
Yep.
They sell really easy, surprisingly. So
Yes. So we didn't have any of our box 2s, but I'm gonna go ahead and look on Facebook today and see if I can find those. But we definitely got some good stuff.
yeah, we'll show you the total MSRP. I think we're still definitely going to be profitable. We're going to leave out the items we only have 1 box for.
Yep.
But we'll definitely still be profitable on this pallet because we have a lot of brand new stuff that can just kind of sit in our inventory and we'll just ship it out when it sells. So
Yep, you got to be willing to wait on pallets for sure. It can be a 0 to 6 month process, I think. So
yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We have tons of other pallet videos on our channel, and I'll leave a playlist here so you can go check that out. Thanks again to Incogni for sponsoring this video. Go ahead and click that link in the description to check it out. See you guys next time.
bye.
Bye.